Know your body. Our body has many parts. All parts are special. Read the following fact to learn how special they are. The brain keeps working even when you are sleeping. We have two eyes, but we see one picture. There are millions of bacteria on our skin, but most of them are harmless. Our nose can remember 15,000 different scents smell. Babies have around 300 bones in their body. As they grow up, fused together grown-ups have fewer bones than babies. There are 206 bones in their body. The body repairs itself. If the skin cut or injured, blood starts flowing. After a little while, add clots. A scab forms on the cut. After a few days, the scab falls off. There is new skin under the scab. The air from our sneeze can travel about 160 km per hour. When we cough, the air from our cough about speed 95 km per hour. A broken bone grows again, repair itself. Doctor use a plaster cast to help it grow properly. Our body is so wonderful. We must take care of our body. We should eat well regular times. We should eat fruits and vegetables. We should drink enough water. We should get enough sleep. We should enough exercise. We should cover our mouth when we cough and sneeze. We should cut our nails regularly. We should keep our body and hair clean. We should wear clean clothes every day. Thank you.